In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your emo name. If you want to update the name that appears on your emo account, the process is very quick and simple. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. Before you begin, make sure the emo app is already installed on your phone and that you're signed into your account. Start by opening emo on your device. Once the app loads, look for your profile picture. This is usually easy to find from the main screen, and tapping it will take you into your profile settings, where your personal account details are shown. After you open your profile, tap your current name or username. This is the field that displays the name other people see on your account. By selecting it, you'll open the option to make changes. If you don't see the editing screen right away, just make sure you tapped directly on the name area and not another profile option. Next, click Edit. This gives you access to update the existing name. At this point, your current name will usually appear in a text field, and you can remove it, adjust it, or replace it completely with a new one. Take a moment to type the name exactly the way you want it to appear. It's a good idea to double-check the spelling before moving on, especially if you want your contacts to recognize you easily. Once you've entered your new name, tap Save or OK, depending on the version of the app you're using. This confirms the change and applies the update to your account. In most cases, the change happens right away, so there's no need to wait or restart the app. Your name is updated immediately, which means anyone viewing your profile may see the new name as soon as the change is saved. If you don't notice the update at first, try going back to your profile screen to confirm that it was applied successfully. And that's all it takes to change your emo name. It only takes a minute, and once you know where the setting is, it's very easy to update it anytime you want. If you're following along on your own device, just go